Okay guys, today I'm handing in the 116D at a service center of the leasing company. I've shown before that the car misses one fog light. So they're going to replace this fog light, or at least try to put on the old one back. Let's just have a look here. It's this one here which is missing, and it's still lying in the bumper, but we're looking for it. And then a second damage has occurred here. So they will fix this one also. And apart from that, they are going to do the MOT on this car, which is due in this month, so in the coming few weeks. And that's it. Then the 1 Series is good to go again. And I'll have to see if they're able also to change the tires from the winter tires, which are still on. And as it was yesterday, in excess of 20 degrees, it's obviously time to change them. Okay guys, I'm here with the most naked loaner I've had ever. Most naked street A3. 3 Series, I'm completely in this BMW thing. Just going to pick up my new 1 Series, or my 1 Series. It has been repaired and it's ready. Been driving this A3 for 8 days now, and though even it's a very naked car, it's still an okay drive. So obviously I'm also going to do a video on this car.
You just see this. You just
I just turn out the podcast. It's a 2018 car. It has just over 50,000 kilometers. And let's see the stats. So you see the total amount of hours I was driving in this car. It's more than 20 hours. Average consumption is 4.6 liters on 100 kilometers. Average speed of 68 kilometers an hour. And I've driven the car for almost 1400 kilometers. So let's go to the car service center and pick up the 1 Series. So I just picked up my 1 Series again. As you can see, I have to arrange all my stuff again here. Installing the dash cam, installing my phone, which I'm obviously using to film. And this company has at least 2 more of the same Audi A3 I got as a loaner. So the most naked A3 in the Netherlands isn't completely a loaner, yeah, I guess. So to summarize, I'm at 167,000 kilometers with the 116D. The things they repaired were the door on the left-hand passenger side, the fog light which was missing in the bumper. They also did the MOT, we call it APK in Dutch, and the car passed just fine. And something they did extra was they changed the brakes on the front and the rear of the car. And I have the feeling when I was shifting gears, sometimes it would be a bit sluggish. And I have the feeling they changed also the fluids of the gearbox, because it's running so much smoother now than before I handed in the car, but they didn't say anything about it. But I'm happy, and I hope I have a lot of fun driving the 116D for the last 7 months of the contracts. And then I just have to give or hand in this car, which I don't want to. So as you can see, they replaced the fog light. It seems to be a new fog light because the glass is just very clear. If you look at the other side, here you can see the glass is not so clear. So I guess the old fog light didn't work anymore. The second part they did here is the damage to the door, which is repaired now. The dents are gone, and I think the door has been painted, or at least the upper part.